Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm excited to show you how to create a symmetrical 3D design in Rhino. Let's get started. I began with a circle and then divided it into 3 equal parts. Next, I drew rectangles at each of the divided points and extruded them slightly. Using the array polar command, I duplicated the rectangles 3 times at those points. After that, I drew a base curve to connect the rectangles and again employed array polar to replicate them 3 times. One of the most interesting parts was using the blend surface tool to connect the edges with a smooth surface. Then, I used array polar once more for consistency. To create the sides of the shape, I used the sweep 2 rails command, followed by another array polar to complete the shape. Finally, I filled any gaps with a planar surface, joined all the components together, and made it solid. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by leaving a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next tutorial.